Hello again, I'm Lisa Gorman with 360 Neuromuscular Therapy, and today we'll do a little foam rolling for our calves. Actually we'll do lower leg in general. Calves usually is the biggest problem with lower leg, but sometimes we do get some stuff with our the front or the side. So very quickly, front and side, because they tend to be the most difficult positioning wise. As always with foam rolling, keep your spine safe so you're really contracting your abs, and make sure you're going nice and slow, and make sure you're being thorough. So to get that front kind of meaty piece of your, I mean everyone calls it their shin, but it's mostly your anterior tibialis. So you're gonna just kind of place it on the foam roller, keeping your abs nice and tight. And I mean, I can put a lot of weight in there because I treat them regularly, but sometimes you'll just have one knee down still. Make sure you can see that. And you're just ankle all the way to knee. I can be up here. And then the side, for those of you who can tolerate, it would just be like this. For those of you who cannot tolerate that much, you can be this way, you can just be like this. The key is that you're being thorough. And when you find a tender spot, you can hang out on it for a little bit. Calves. This is where we need to spend most of our time typically. So, very basic. Again, abs nice and tight. I'm not sinking into my shoulders to cause any damage there. Staying nice and strong. And I can use this foot to hold weight. I can do little pieces and work my way through it. Then to do all the way from your knee, all the way down to your ankle. But we want to make sure we're thorough and get all the sections. So toes straight up, toes out to the side, and toes in. For those of you who can handle it, if you can get both up like this, you'll be in good shape. Get everything. I always have the outside is always my problem. So you'll figure out where you need to do the most work, and that's where you spend most of your time. As always, if you have questions, ask your therapist. They're always there to help you, and hopefully that gives you some more ideas on how to foam roll all that below the knee stuff. Best of luck. Happy rolling.